In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a campaign name in MailerLite. This is a really straightforward process, but it's always helpful to have a detailed guide to ensure you don't miss any steps along the way. So let's dive right in and walk through this together. To get started, you'll first need to log into your MailerLite account. If you're not familiar with how to log in, you'll simply need to head over to the MailerLite website and use your email and password to access your account. Once you're logged in, everything you need to do will be managed from your dashboard. Now that you're in your account, the next step is to head over to the Campaigns section. You can find this option in the main menu on the left side of your screen. Clicking on this will bring up a list of all your campaigns. From here, you need to identify and select the campaign you wish to edit. For this example, we'll be focusing on a draft campaign, so go ahead and open your draft campaign from the list. Once you have your draft campaign open, the next thing you'll want to do is look for the Edit button. This is a critical part of the process since any changes to the campaign will need to be made within the Edit interface. Click this button to make modifications to your campaign. As you enter the edit mode, you'll be presented with various fields containing different details about the campaign. Your goal here is to locate the field labeled Campaign Name. This is where you currently have your existing campaign name, and it's what you need to change. With the campaign name field now visible, you can go ahead and type in the new name you would like for your campaign. When choosing a new name, consider something that's both descriptive and concise, so it's easy for you and your team to recognize and understand later. A good campaign name can significantly help in keeping your emails organized. After inputting the new name, don't forget the final yet crucial step: saving your changes. There should be a Save button or similar option at the bottom or top of the editing page. Make sure you click this to ensure all the changes you've just made are applied. It's always a good practice to double check that your new campaign name is showing correctly after saving, which confirms that everything went smoothly. And there you have it. Changing a campaign name in MailerLite is as simple as logging in, navigating to your campaigns, and editing the campaign name field. I hope this guide was helpful, and you can now easily manage your email campaigns with confidence. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.